Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your device supports Apple Intelligence and runs iOS 17. 4 or later. Verify you are signed into the correct Apple ID on the device and iCloud. Check for a stable Wi-Fi connection and ensure you have at least 5 GB free storage available. Restart your iPhone or iPad by powering it off for 10 seconds and powering it back on after 30 seconds. After the reboot, open Settings and check Apple Intelligence status again to see if functionality returns. If Basics did not resolve the issue, toggle Apple Intelligence and Siri off in Settings. Wait 30 seconds and then toggle both features back on to refresh services. If problems persist, reset network settings from Settings, General, Reset. This can clear Wi-Fi conflicts. Sign out of your Apple ID, wait 15 seconds, and sign back in to refresh cloud permissions and sync. Finally, test Apple Intelligence by asking a quick query or using a suggestion in Photos or Mail. When toggles and resets fail, back up your device to iCloud or a computer first. Verify the backup completes and note its size and timestamp before proceeding. Perform and erase all content and settings to reinstall iOS cleanly and remove lingering configuration errors. After the install, restore from your verified backup and allow up to 30 minutes for services to resync fully. If Apple Intelligence still fails, contact Apple Support or run Apple Diagnostics and schedule a Genius Bar appointment for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.